Good morning, fellow peeps and folks. I'm Allie, and today we are playing Heavy Rain. Last time we crawled through broken glass, went through an electrical maze. Bandage up, Ethan. Didn't look into the box though. We got information from what was her name? Sean's mom, Ethan's former wife. And then Norman and Lieutenant Blake went to the psychiatrist, or, you know, who was who was beaten up first. But we got information while still being the good person here. So, yeah, the aggressive part is not great. So,
Ash, I want you to assign every available man to finding Ethan Mars. I want a man outside his place day and night. Notify all agencies to start looking for him. I want you to keep an eye on the train stations, the airports, the bus terminals. I want every cop in the city on his
because now they
so
suspect
moves,
him.
we know about it. Yes, Ethan Mars is the origami killer.
At least that's what... I mean, I was suspecting it. It seems very on the nose because of the blackouts and all that. Wow. I could have watched this scene before ending the episode, but okay. I thought it would go longer. Alright, so... Alright. We've got a little bit like a bandage from fighting those bodyguards.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Please come in, Mr. Shelby.
Alright, who are
Here
you?
for a coffee.
Oh, no thanks.
I take one.
Do you play?
I tried once, but I think the owner of the course is still looking for me.
It's an interesting sport. It requires strength, but also a cool head and absolute precision. Would you care to hit a few balls with me? There's no danger of damaging the greens here.
Okay.
Take off your jacket and grab a club.
I guess we're gonna try that. I mean, I'm not good at that either. I mean, I'm like average at mini golf.
The balls are in that basket.
Alright, let's try it. I mean...
The most important thing is to grip the club correctly. When you feel ready, you swing.
Stance.
Hell, it's only your first ball.
Yeah.
You should try to strike it a little harder next time.
I'm not good at that, so
I'm
I don't
assuming
mind.
you didn't invite me here just to play golf, Mr. Kramer.
Oh, so that's the daddy.
I hear you've been asking questions about my son.
Yeah.
That's right. I want to know if Gordy is linked to the origami killer case in any way.
Let's try that again. I guess that's better.
My son had nothing to do with that sordid case.
Well, then he has nothing to fear from my investigation.
Yeah, the thing is, like...
You have no business investigating
His son is
my
kind
son.
of an
I
asshole.
told you, he had nothing to do with it.
With all due respect, Mr. Kramer, it's up to me to decide who I want to investigate.
Yeah, he's not with the police anymore, you know?
I'm an influential man, Mr. Sheldon.
Of course.
And I pay very well for loyalty.
Of course you do.
Are you trying to buy me?
Let's just say I'm trying to show you where your interest lies.
Of course.
How much do you want to leave my son alone?
I think you misunderstood me. I don't play that game.
Nope.
Don't go near my son, Mr. Sheldon. If you do, you'll regret it.
Have a nice day, Mr. Kramer.
We got, like, about nothing new there. Just the same old daddy's paying people so nobody's gonna suspect his son for anything. Alright. What are you doing here, Ethan? Is that the next trial, or...? I mean, it would make sense, because why else would he go into, like, an abandoned building? Lizards. Fun.
Porcelain lizards? They look new. Out of place with the rest of this old beat-up stuff.
Nothing inside? I thought maybe there would be something inside. Maybe we gotta listen if there's something inside. Yeah, there's definitely something inside. Like a key or something. Let's take that key. And that would be the key to the door then. Makes sense. I mean, there are a lot more lizards. But if we already have the key, why would we, like, you know, look for the other ones? If we need a second key or something, then we're gonna go back outside, you know? But I don't like the sacrifice thing. We're gonna have to, like, decide to kill someone, or I don't know. Like, agree to let someone die just so Sean could live.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son? You have 5 minutes to cut off the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your...
Why? What the fuck? That's like... There's a knife. I don't like this, but... Is there anything else? Alcohol, okay. Don't take too long. The thing is, I don't have any control over how long he is at the sink.
You have 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
What's this? Two. I have no idea. All right. Yeah, we're preparing to burn out the... Oh, an axe.
You have 4 minutes left.
Yeah, I don't think we need... I have no idea what that is, but okay, I guess. I'm not sure if we need anything else. Like, I don't know what we would need this for. Alright, just put it down. I think that's... I think the axe is gonna make it the fastest,
You have
but
3 minutes and 30 seconds left.
first take a drink. The knife or the axe? I don't like this. Like, it's all dirty. So... could I maybe, like... I still have a little bit more time, so... oh.
You have 3 minutes left.
Alright, let's just do this. I don't like where this is going, but... do it. And then burn it out, and then... oh. Sorry. I don't really want to look at it, but if there's cuties, I need to look at it. Yeah, and now... I know it hurts, I'm sorry. At At least we don't have to kill a person. I have a feeling that's gonna come later. I'm so sorry. I kind of want to give him a hug. But you know, first burn out the wound. So that it will stop bleeding. I know it hurts, but it's very important that it stops bleeding. It hurts to watch, just...
Under the desk.
I still think like that the axe was the right decision, because with the knife it might have been not as like, you know, strike through and just take more hits, and that would have been the worst ever. Poor guy. Yeah. I mean, I already thought that it would be a Roosevelt. It really doesn't tell me much more. But of course that's how it works. Like, put the information there first that is easier to, like, deduce. If Madison is gonna find him without his finger, just like, wow. Goldfinger, fun. It hurt to see that. Ooh, I'm kind of ooh, I'm done. I mean, I'm not. I'm gonna play more, but. Well, that's strange.
That's affirmative, Lieutenant. We're in position.
Oh,
Perfect.
okay.
Nobody moves until I give this signal. Is that clear? We nail him as soon as he sets foot outside.
Right, Lieutenant.
Lucky that patrol spotted his car.
What's he doing in there?
Beats me. You're the profiler, right? I thought you were supposed to be right inside the killer's head.
Well, that's just it. What I know of Ethan Mars doesn't match the killer's psychological profile.
I know what the jury's gonna choose between your theories and concrete proof.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that girl doing there? Marge comes out now, she's gonna be in trouble.
What do we do, Lieutenant? Want to get her out?
No, stand down.
The first time that 3 of our people meet. Interesting. Is she gonna help Ethan?
Going inside. Maybe she lives there. Us just as well. We don't want anyone hanging around if Mars comes out.
Ethan, what happened? The police. They're out there. I think they're here to arrest you. We've got to find another way out.
Shit. What's he up to in there? Wait for a go on my word.
Alright. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm trying.
Shit! It's too high.
Really? I just did all that for nothing? I don't know how much of a time limit there is.
Ready on my go. Stay here, Jaden.
Out of the question. I'm coming with you.
2 men at the door, hold your positions. It's a go.
Go. No. Let's get out.
Come on,
now.
let's go this way.
Please. All right. And now run.
Hey, you, don't move. I'll shoot.
Come on, quick.
I can't.
Hands in the air.
Lieutenant, there's a man and a woman exiting the alley.
A woman? Shit. It's that girl who went in. Everybody downstairs. They're in the alley. Follow them.
Oh shit. Okay.
The subway.
All right. And down. Whew, I think we made it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think we made it. Like, I don't want to take sides. Oh, there's still... Where do we go now?
Ethan, what's the matter? We've got to keep going. Ethan, they're coming.
Just go. All right.
Careful.
It's not over yet. And into the train.
Hey, watch it, man! Please! Stop or I'll shoot!
Please give us a possibility to escape. No! I hate this. I hate those camera changes. Oh, I hate it.
Don't move, or I'll blow your fucking brains out.
Like, the camera changes were bad, and the people, it's... Like, if we could have gotten to the train first, was there a chance? Because right now I'm scared that we might have gotten like a shortened storyline because of that. Because we couldn't escape. Hey, I don't know. I really don't know. And everything was going so well. I don't know. Like, I don't know who I want to root for. Like, the thing is...
I'm not here to judge you, Ethan. I'm trying to save the life of your son. You still have time, but it's running out. Help me, Ethan. Tell me what you know.
We're gonna tell the truth, I mean.
I'm sure you had your reasons for doing what you did. You didn't think you were doing any harm. You just wanted the pain to go away. I'll help explain all that to the judge. Don't let Sean die. Tell us what you know, and we can still save him. Look at these, Ethan. Look at these.
I didn't want to be aggressive.
8 photographs. 8 lives taken.
I didn't think he would be aggressive while
Goddamn
talking
rain.
about the victims.
Recognize this one, huh? That's your son, Ethan. That's Sean. He is still alive. Talk to me, Ethan. Say something!
I wanted to be nice. I didn't think that victims would...
Ethan, say something, for God's sake!
The thing is, I don't know if convincing is nice or not.
I kidnapped my son. But I can't remember what happened. I don't know where he is. The only way to find him is to let me out of here. I'm the only person who can save him.
You say you can save him, but you don't know where he is. It doesn't make sense, Ethan.
He has blackouts. Tell him about the blackouts.
I love my son. I love my son. If you keep me here, Sean is going to die.
Time's running out, Ethan. And frankly, I don't care why you did it. The only thing I want to know is where you've hidden Sean.
I don't know. I would already have saved him if I knew where he was.
Okay. This is your last chance, Ethan. And this time, I suggest you think carefully before you answer. Where is Sean?
I told you I don't know.
Wrong answer.
Blake, what are you doing? This guy's a killer. He's got no fucking rights. He's gonna tell me everything.
Again with the aggressive approach.
Even if he is a killer, that doesn't give you the right to beat him.
Whose side are you on, Norman? Are you defending this piece of shit?
I'm defending the law, and the law says he is innocent until proven guilty.
This guy's got no rights. Do you hear me?
He does have
no
rights.
rights at all. You fuck! Are you gonna...
If you beat him, his confession's worthless. They'll throw the case out.
Why did he go outside? Oh, to put the camera back on, okay. How do I do this? I don't even know how to do this. Fuck. I'm worthless. I don't even know what to do. I can't do anything. I don't even know. Can I go inside again? I can't. This is strange. I would think that I do have to, like, you know, put the camera back on. But nothing's happening. Like, there's nothing I can do.
That is not the way it's gonna go. I'm gonna tell the whole story to Captain Perry.
Oh, okay. Okay, maybe I should use the thoughts more. Where's the captain?
Blake is trying to beat a confession out of Ethan Mars. You've got to do something!
Which is more important, Norman? Finding little Sean Mars or sparing that lowlife a few bruises? You can't make omelets without breaking a
You're an asshole.
God damn! Ethan Mars is innocent! We've got to get back to looking for Sean if we're to have any chance of finding him alive!
This case has worn you out, Norman. You need some time off to think it through.
I don't like where this is going. Don't take it. I really don't want him to take it. I don't like where this is going. Like, why couldn't have Ethan just said that he has those blackouts? Gosh. Those things are almost harder than the actual fighting QTEs.
Your vodka, sir.
Thanks.
You look preoccupied, if you don't mind my saying so.
Wow.
Problems with the investigation?
Maybe.
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's true. But it just doesn't make sense. His psychological profile doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocalization. I can't see this father drowning 8 victims before kidnapping his own kid. Mars is not the origami killer. I'd stake my life on it.
There's something more to it.
Then who is?
I haven't the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
That's just what I was thinking of doing.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what.
That's why he didn't take it.
Dangerous. Very dangerous.
I'm trying to keep a handle on it, but it's difficult. It gets more and more difficult.
That's how drugs work.
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate, sir.
All right. I want to find out more about that stuff. All right, Can we change the environment, please? I would like to go back to the forest. You know? I like the forest the most. That's just how it is. A little bit of an autumn forest. Then let's go back into the clues and the files.
Well,
Maybe we get more.
looks like there's something new. The video recording from near the park on the afternoon Sean Mars disappeared.
Alright.
I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know.
Hmm. Analyze.
A Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park, when in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared.
Alright.
Could it be the killer's car?
Maybe? Alright, no data. I mean, technically there should be because, you know, it's from the park. Is there more for the tire tracks, or... Yeah, nothing really. We did have this, we did have this.
Ah, pity we can't see the driver's face.
Hmm. But you can still analyze stuff, right?
The car was stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped.
Alright.
Not enough evidence.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Still no data. But now we do have an ID card of the guy that was suspected.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack.
Mad Jack,
involved in
okay.
several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car.
Maybe?
It's a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
Makes sense. Alright, that is an interesting achievement name. I guess we're gonna cut this episode a little bit shorter then. If this scene doesn't take too long. Now with the evidence, or not really evidence, but with a new lead.
Did Mars confess?
No, not yet. He lost consciousness. We'll give him a break and then we'll get back to him.
He must be tougher than I thought.
Tough or not, he'll crack. They all do.
In any case,
I gotta find some way to get
congratulations,
Ethan Mars
Lieutenant.
out of here. Even if
Done
there's
a
only a
fine
1 in
job.
1,000 chances telling the
I've
truth,
called a
he may
press
still be able to save his
Gonna
son.
kick off in 1 hour.
Alright.
I expect it'll be quite an event.
Don't you want to wait till we actually got his confession?
No point. We've got him dead to rights. That's all the press wants to know.
Wow.
Leave us alone.
Lieutenant Blake said to...
Please, leave us alone.
Right, I'll be at the door if you need anything.
Mm-hmm.
Christ. Are you alright, Ethan?
Probably not.
I gotta get out of here. I've gotta save my son.
I'll see what I can do. Should be able to get him out of here without being noticed. Gotta find some way to get rid of the guard if I want to free Mars. A camera. There's a surveillance camera in Mars's room. Must be some way to turn it off.
Alright, that's why.
I gotta find some way to get him through the police station undetected. There should be officers' raincoats all over the place. Gotta find one and give it to Mars. Shit! What am I doing? Helping a suspect to escape? That'll cost me my badge and earn me a 10-year stretch. I gotta find some way to get him through the police station undetected.
Okay, we already had that.
First, get rid of the cuffs.
First, get the camera to shut off. And get rid of the guard. Alright, cameras gone. Where can I get a raincoat? Alright, I can let someone out. Where do I go here? Where are the raincoats?
There should be officers' raincoats all over the place.
All over the place, yeah, I haven't found one. So, tell me what is all over the place. Can I take that one? You know the raincoat part? Well, there's one hanging there. Can I take that one? Apparently not. Maybe I have to do it in some sort of order. I don't know how much time I have, if there's a time limit. I hope not. Okay, only elevators here. So I guess first a distraction, then a raincoat. Why can't I look inside if there's nothing I can do? I'm kind of, you know, I don't even know. I have no idea what to do. And it makes me anxious. So... Alright, I'm gonna end this episode here. And we're gonna find a way to deal with stuff in the next video, because I've noticed that it's going already for a while, and I'm sorry about that. I'm just too dumb to know what to do, so I'm gonna find a way though. We're gonna find a way together next time. So on this note, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!